Gap from yesterday not filled yet. I explained it in detail yesterday. Breakaway gap, very bullish, very strong. I'm still waiting for a retest of this area here. Right at structure here at 61%. If you look at the euro, all the sparkle. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It is Tuesday, 2 July 2024. Today I will be trading long on the euro, the Aussie and the US, and short on the Swiss, the yen and the New Zealand. Let's start off with the dollar index. It broke down yesterday below this rising trend line, and as I've said yesterday morning, it haven't closed down there yet, so it's not bearish yet for that matter on the short term. So the bulls came back in, punting it up the page and holding the rising trend line. Dollar intraday strong. Short term, medium term, long term, all my indicators tell me to be dollar bullish, and that's what I will do, and that's how I stay dollar bullish. Putting a little bit of pressure on gold still, as I've said here, don't get caught on this reversal like this. Not saying it will come down. All I'm saying is this reversal was there, it's the retest, and 2 days of small real bodies showing us there's no oomph on the bulls. Yes, it can break up above that flag or falling trend line, definitely. Then I will change my whole story. But for now, I've got a bearish gold signal here on a strong dollar. I'll stay out of gold at this stage. Bitcoin, strong run 3 days. We got a Saturday, Sunday, and a Monday strong run, which was quite amazing. It's about a 5% move up the page. But as I've said, it's not, the trend is still very much bearish here. The first signs on the short-term side that Bitcoin might reverse is the breaking of this trend line. It came faster than I anticipated, but a retest would be very much in order, getting us back here and say, all right, let's test it, let's confirm it as structure, let's confirm that the market really look at it and say, yes, we want to reverse. So I would love to see something like a retest, a nice counter reversal, or like a double bottom or something that would confirm this falling trend line and this lateral support as structure in the market. So let's hope for the best. I see a lot of strength coming in everywhere. It is there. All the cryptos, most of the cryptocurrencies are showing some strength, but be aware. There's Bitcoin will lead the pack. And we will see what happens here. Once this turned blue, once I get some good technical patterns, I'll be fully bullish again. Aussie Swiss, we got the long here and there. I've explained it on previous videos. Missed my target with a couple of pips and coming back down. Stop is at entry. We can't lose money, so let's hope now for the best. It's just nothing I will do at this stage. If you look at Aussie green zone, Swiss franc here in the red zone, so I still want to be long. So even if it comes back down here, seeing that my stop is at an entry, I can risk some more. If it tests this level, the 50 to 61% of this last directional swing at structure there, that's the area. If it touch that area and I get a strong counter reversal, I'll definitely add to this trade and set some new and higher targets. But for now, I'm just holding on tight for this target to be hit. Then the euro yen, still the gap from yesterday not filled yet. I explained it in detail yesterday. Breakaway gap, very bullish, very strong. I'm still waiting for a retest of this area here. Right at structure here at 61%. If you look at the euro, all the sparkle, yen bottom of the pile. So I want to be long here, but not from those levels. I'm going to wait for the retracement. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then the CAD Swiss. Last small directional swing. CAD neutral zone, Swiss red zone. So I'm after the short on the Swiss, so going long here will give me that short. But I needed a retest of the 61% level, right at structure there. Once I get a nice test here, then a counter reversal, then I'll attempt some longs. Then the CAD yen. Also, nice swing up the page. CAD neutral, but yen bottom of the pile. I want to be short yen. Going long here will give me that short. I needed a retest right at 50% level. Structure here. So if I get the retest, the counter reversal, I'll take that long. US yen, one of the few very much directional currency pairs at present. My trading robot's got 2 nice positions here, so I'm hoping for the best here, that it can fly. But this last swing up the page, retracement back to 61% level, that structure there, that's only when I will get involved again in the USD. And you can see dollar very strong, yen in the red zone. So I definitely want to be long here, but not from those highs. Definitely not from those highs. If it retraces, I will then look for some longs. Euro pound filled the gap yesterday on a very nice long lower shadow. For me, it was, some people write that this is hammer candle. You're not completely wrong, but usually that body, which is about 5 pips, needs to fit 3 to 4 times into this. And that was 12, 13 pips, so that's 2.5 times. I like the 4 times, 3 is negotiable. So for me, that was not an entry candle, but a very nice long lower shadow showing us support coming in on the gap close at 61% FIB at structure. So it's not bad at all. But for me personally, I wasn't enticed enough to take a long entry there. But if you look at the euro, top of the pile, all the sparkle against a neutral pound. So I want to be long here, but not from those levels. I will wait for another retest. Pound Swiss, nice swing, brand new trend. Pound, not after that, but I'm after the Swiss short, and going long here will give me the shorten on the Swiss. So I'm waiting for the retracement back to the 50-61% zone, right the structure here, can reversal from there, then I'll consider some longs. Pound yen, nice swing up the page here. And if you look at the pound, I'm not after the pound. I'm after the yen short. I can use the pound against the yen. So going long on the pound yen will give me the short, and the yen I'm after, you can see here, the yen is where it belongs, bottom of the pile. So retest right at 50%, right the structure here. I like this, but not from those levels. I need a retest. Then the Euro CAD, very nice new trend coming up. Euro, all the sparkle, CAD neutral, so not after the CAD, but Euro definitely something I want to be long in, but not from up there. So if I look at this, also a little bit of a gap here, which worries me because they do get filled at times. So don't be surprised if it spikes through here and fills the gap. Right, but right at 61%, we've got the structure here. And with the euro so strong, I want to be long. So on a retest and a nice candle reversal, I'll then consider some long setups. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.